Hey, what's up, guys? How's everyone doing? Okay, I'm back here in Tinkercad, and I have some updates for you. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you check out part 1, part 2, and learn the basic shapes and buttons, and then you can join us daily for a build every day. So, I have an update about the 100 subscriber special. It is printing. Yay! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I thought I could get that done in one day and print it overnight. That was just silly. So I actually was working on that for about 10 hours yesterday and about 11 hours today. And it's finally printing. I almost broke Tinkercad. I almost broke Kira. My brain almost exploded. I almost went to the loony bin. So I did a major grind project for the 100 subscriber special. I guess it was just to show my appreciation for you guys subscribing. And it's already growing. We're already way over 100. So eventually that will be done printing. I'll kind of tell you what happened. If you don't want to hear story time, then just skip a couple minutes. But so I made this crazy design. I won't give it away, but I'll tell you a few clues. It took 35,000 objects in Tinkercad to make it. That's counting the whole object. See, these are counted as part of the design, like as far as what the computer or internet has to render and think about. So there was 35,000 objects that it had to deal with, which made it a nightmare and laggy. And so I almost broke Tinkercad by doing that. Putting it into Kira couldn't barely handle it, so it took, the first time I sliced it, full size, like I wanted to print it as big as I possibly could. I sliced it, and it would have taken 6 days and 10 hours to print, and it would have took a roll and a half. So no way I could have done that, because I guarantee my printer probably would have clogged up or shut down, or who knows. So I made it a little smaller, and now it's still going to be a 3-day 10-hour print, and that's if nothing goes wrong. So I will be crossing my fingers, and you guys cross your fingers for the next 3 days and 10 hours. And I have to print. It actually prints in 2 parts, but one of the parts I can probably fit on the high-speed printer, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, my biggest, most detailed build ever, and hopefully it'll be done in about 4 days. So I'll just give you updates when I do the daily build. So I already was on Tinkercad for 12 hours today, and I haven't even started the daily build. Oh, it's 6:13 p.m., and I'm just starting the daily build. So that's why we're going to build something easy and something that some people probably don't really care about, but I think it's kind of cool, and I've built one before, and you guys saw it in the thumbnail. You're probably like, oh, great, that's boring. It is a golf ball grabber, or golf ball picker-upper. They're super awesome. You put them on the end of a long stick. Actually, we could start building here. So I wrote down a couple numbers. Okay. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? I just made a note. I don't use these notes. How do I get rid of it? Technical difficulties. Noob. Should I write noob? Noob. Wow. I thought I was going to try to do this quick. Okay. Reset. Edit that out. Okay, so the stick that the golf ball picker-upper goes on is 28.5, and the pole that I use I actually get from Menards, and it's over by the brooms. It's only like $5 or $6, and it's this really nice long broom handle. I think that's what it is. It's over by the brooms, and it's 28.5 millimeters. So it's like a big, 6-foot whatever. It's probably a 5-foot handle. And it's so awesome for putting this golf ball grabber on the end of. So let's just keep this as our little model of the pole it's going to go on. So this is super easy to build, and the high-speed printer is going to print it out so fast, it's going to be amazing. So basically, we first need to make like a little tube for it to sit on. So let's just eyeball it. Yeah, we have to make a hollow tube. I think the easiest way is to just do it like this. Okay, let's make it 4 millimeters on each side. So let's see, hold on. So 36. So 36.5 by 36.5. Oh, we're going to be able to build this so fast. So even if this is lame, it's okay. We will be okay. Okay, so you know what? Let's duplicate this and bring it on over. See, we want the stick to fit in here, but let's make it a tiny bit bigger. We don't want it much bigger. I guess I usually glue these on because so it doesn't fall off. So why don't we just go to 29? And then we'll just center this. And you know what? Okay, let's align it. Oh, this is doing this normal stuff is so easy now. I love it. I'm actually having fun again. Don't get me wrong, building that crazy model was kind of fun. Maybe not. I don't know what it was. I don't even want to think about it, to be honest. Okay, how big? Uh-oh, I forgot to measure. Oh, I have a golf ball in front of me. Weird. Okay, let's make a model of the golf ball. How big is a golf ball? It looks like it's 42. Let me make sure. 42.5 is the biggest measurement I get. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just make it a little bigger. 42.5. We want it kind of tight, though. 43 might be too big. Let's do 42.8. I'm just guessing. We're basically making a golf ball. 42.8. There. It kind of looks like a golf ball because it's got the little sides. Okay, so this is our golf ball that we'll make. It's slightly bigger than a golf ball. So let's duplicate it, and let's also make it, we want it 4 thick on each side. So let's add 8 to these numbers. So 50.8. Oops, did I duplicate it? I better have. Let me check, I'll be stupid. Oh, okay, I did. All right, let's do it. 50.8. This one, 50.8. With a sphere, you have to do all 3 measurement. Yeah, 3 sides. And this one. Oh wait, which one didn't we do? This? There we go. And now we can just make this one a hole. And let's align them on all 3 axes. Xi. So here and here and here. So in the very center now is our cutout. It's in there. Trust us. Well, here, we can look at it. Boop. Look. See? It's perfectly centered in there. So let's keep this one like this. And look, we just select both and group. I love this. It's so easy. Okay. And now, let's just stick this over here. We're going to be done in like a couple minutes. Here, let's align all of this stuff. La 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 la. There we go. That's all fine for now. Is this sticking through? Yep. Here, I feel like we want, oops. Let's raise the ball up a little. So then we have a little more of a connection point for the glue. Let's see, how tall did we make that? We'll keep it kind of short. Sure, that's fine. Then it'll print even faster. I'm going to see how fast I can print this thing. It's going to be great. Okay, watch this. We can combine this now. Okay, so this is what we got. And now you just have to grab, let's grab a little square, a Rooney, rectangle, whatever. Don't judge me. Wow, why did I do that so weird? Okay, let's pop this up like this. Okay, now the trick is, this is where you kind of set how strong it's going to be. So, for now, let's make it kind of strong. So see, for it to be able to grab a golf ball, you need it to, see how the circle starts to curve back in? You need this to curve back in a little bit. But so that's a pretty lot of curve back in. So let's put it like that for now. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to make a duplicate of that cutout, and we'll put it up in the air up there. We'll save that for later, because we might trim it again. But for now, let's just do this. Oh, gosh! I was trying to just select everything. Okay, let's group it. Oh, I love this. Everything happens so fast and easy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oops. Wait. Why didn't the... Oh, I get it. The circle didn't cut through here, which we want it to, though. Or we could slide this. Oh, we're going to have to ungroup it. Okay. We're going to have to ungroup again. Oh, I was so confident. So how would we do that then? We want to... We needed, what do we need? There. So see that inside circle still in there, the cutout? We wanted to cut this also. Is it in there though? Let's go back one more time. There, now it's in there. I think it'll work now, actually. Yeah, we want that middle cutout sphere to cut this too, also. Let's just check it out. Yeah, see? Haha. Okay, now what we want to do, this is really beefy. I hope this will accept the golf ball. I think the last time I made one of these, I had it a little thinner on top. One thing we could do, let's do something real quick. Let's make a bigger sphere and line it up. We're gonna taper this little edge right here. It's only been 13 minutes. And I'm gonna print this thing in like 20 minutes. It's gonna be awesome. Oopsies. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, I gotta wait 3 days and 10 hours of possible failure on the giant print. Or not giant, but the complicated print. Okay, see? This will be cool. Me like. Did I align it? Yeah, I did. Okay, group. So see, this will cut us a nice little edge. Oh yeah, that's fine. And then see that will slide onto the ball easier. So now we kind of have a choice. We got to cut some slots in here because this is going to be too stiff. The ball would never pop into here. So we have to have some gaps going through here. What shape should we use? Last time I made one, I just did like straight up cuts, but I think I want to try something a little different this time. This time, instead of making a whole bunch of little cuts, I just want to make a couple big cuts, and I think it's going to make the whole thing sturdier. My other one seemed like it could break pretty easy, but I did go out and find 378 golf balls. The first time, or was it 278? It was 278. Jeez, now I just ruined my own story. But yeah, I found 278 golf balls the first time taking this thing out. I took my canoe out to a lake that's next to a golf course, of course. And they have a hole that's like an island. So people just lose thousands of golf balls. Okay, so this is what I mean. We're going to do, let's just try this. I think this will be great. So let's put it down a ways. Let's put it down like this. And let's center this bad boy. And we're almost done. So let's go ahead and center. Okay, and let's just duplicate this and spin it. Where's my spinner? How many cuts do we want? Let's see, does that fit? Oh wow, that's way too. Yeah, we need more material than that. Okay. Yeah, so just one more of them. So bam. No! Oh, I didn't want to do it manually. Okay. There. Okay, how does that look? No! What? I thought that would be even. Let me start over. Get rid of these. Do I want to try it with just... let's see. Okay, so I think I'll just have to do it with... Okay, let me see what these little grabbers look like. Okay, what we'll do then, if we can only do 4 like this, we could make them a little wider. What would it look like if these were... do I like that better? Okay, don't spend too much time thinking about it. Well, that'd be a little weaker, but it would bend easier. Ooh, we might have to try this. I'm curious. Okay, get rid of that one. I said we were almost done, so I gotta quit messing around so much. Duplicate and spin. Why does it look so weird? Oh. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'm a little worried that... Well, here, maybe we'll just raise it up a little bit. Okay, let's raise this up a little. Yeah, because we want these to flex a little so the ball can get in. Ooh, I like that. Okay, let's do it. Group. There. See? This is what a golf ball grabber's got to look like. And... Oh, you know what I just noticed, though? If this ring... Uh-oh. If this little line right here is below the halfway point of the golf ball's just going to pop out. We might have to back up here and check. Back up. Back up. No, what am I doing? See, I'm losing my gourd. Okay. Let's go back. Okay, you know what we're going to do? We're going to raise this up a little bit. That was too... Yeah, that was too much. There. Fixed. There we go. I bet this is going to work. Oh, and it's been about 20 minutes, mostly because I was talking about the special. Okay, you know what? I think this is going to work, but we'll just have to see how strong it is. So let's just print it out, and I think we're good to go. We'll see you in a second. Yeah, I'm wasting no time. Look, I'm literally watching it finish. Okay, this was only 36 minutes. Uh-oh, the door's in the way. Okay, let me get set up here. All right, only 36 minutes. That's awesome. Okay, let's see if, yeah, see, that should not come off that easy. I don't like that. I'm going to fix that. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. I printed at only 0.3 layer height, so like low quality. Let me get this little brim off here. There we go. I just manually focused it. Dude, for 0.3 layer height, which is like draft, I would call it, like low quality. Look at this. Like, look at this tube part. I can't even see the layers. Look at that. What? That's crazy. Pretty cool for 36 minutes. Oh, I printed it solid too. This is solid. No infill. Okay, autofocus back on. Okay, moment of truth though. Let's see if the golf ball fits in it. Otherwise, I'll just print another one. Okay, ready? Yes! Oh my gosh, that's a perfect fit! Why am I so excited? Look. So see, it sits up like this, and if you hear that little snap sound, obviously that cannot fall out. So like if it's down in the grass or the mud or down in the water, it'll snap in like this, and it will not come out. Look it, you could make rolling legs for a chair. You know what? This one thing I would change is these little corners right here. Because see, you have to drag your thumb to take it out. This is sharp on your thumb. So, oh, you can kind of use your fingertips. But if you make one of these, give yourself some rounded corners or use a different shape. But wow, that really works good. It looks cool too. If I want to, I could just sand these off if I want. It's not that bad, but you know what I'm saying? It's a little sharp on your thumb when you, if you're finding hundreds of these, if you're going ball collecting. I think it looks really cool. Oh, awesome. Okay, enough of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this sort of thing, hit like and for surely subscribe, because we have that giant awesome build printing and you don't want to miss that. So we do a build every single day and it's awesome. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Bye.